Hello guys, today I'm here with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show how to fix search bar issue in Windows 11. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for latest updates. So guys, let's start. Currently my search bar isn't working. To fix this, press Windows plus R key on your keyboard, and then open services.msc. Press right mouse button, and then click on Properties. Change Startup Type to Automatic, and then, go to Recovery tab. Change Subsequent Failure option, and also set Reset Fail Count option to 0. Go back to General tab, and click on Start. After that, click on Apply and then OK, and your search bar will be working now. And you can see, search bar is working perfectly. If you are having the issue, open Task Manager. Click on More Details. Search for Windows Explorer. Press right mouse button, and click on Restart, and now, it will be working. So, that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more update. Stay connected and have a great day.